was. And then that's why I thought, okay, I'm going to hold off and wait. I was trying to get that done before, but then I found on Amazon everything was, it was the same price, and everything was, oh, it's awesome. The only thing I saw was, oh, I'm in the mountains and it's not working, or oh, I'm in the desert or fields and it's not working. Well, hello, it's not going to work there. But in a city like this, yes, it'll work. All right, I'll see you tomorrow night. Have a good night. Okay. But if you ever have, a really big headache, I have Tylenol.
I have stuff.
Okay, because I have Tylenol in my cupboard. It's the only thing I can take.
Okay. Yeah. Oh.
See you later.
Oh yeah. Came with the door slam. Fucking door slam again. Oh yeah, I have hearing aids. Shut the fuck up, fucking bitch. I hope I get moved to another client. Hate working with her. I deeply hate working with this fucking bitch that refuses to listen.
Second one coming up. I have a lot of phone calls, so I'm asking you, what is the greatest acoustic song of all time? 916-921-1530, 800-834-1530. I love the phone calls. Mike is in Oakhurst joining us. Hello, Mike. How are you?
Hey, Patrick. How much acreage do you have in your place?
3 acres.
You having problems brushing it?
What do you mean by brushing?
Getting rid of all the detritus?
Oh, well,
Knock down oak trees?
I've done a lot of that. A lot. I don't live in Placerville, but yeah, I've done a lot of that.
Oh, I thought you did. Okay, so I got an acoustic instrumental zapper that I bet you've never heard. Only like 2.5 minutes long. It's called 20 cigar homers.
Exotics. He'll put whatever he wants. This is a beautiful tone.
Check it out.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
Hang in there. We'll take your call straight ahead. Plus, if you haven't, you're thinking about it, 916-921-1530. 800-834-1530. This is not only acoustic, but it's instrumental. Thanks for joining us. Wednesday Night Outlaw Show. Building a better Sacramento. KFBK News Radio. 90. 93.1 FM, 1530 AM, an iHeart radio station.
Listen on your free iHeart radio app for all your music, radio, and podcasts.
If you listen to the Armstrong and Getty show regularly, you know my diet is horrible. That's why I've really gotten into these green drinks. Well, there's a lot of green drinks out there. They give you all the nutrients you need, but most of them taste like they were sucked out of the bottom of a lawnmower. That's why we highly recommend Morning Man Green. Oh yeah, using it for a couple of months. The taste is really good. 70 half-kidney vitamins, superfoods, probiotics, enzymes, packed into one simple scoop, like mainlining vegetables from Mother Nature herself. Makes me feel a lot better about myself when I eat bad all day long, and then I get all my nutrients from Morning Man. Simplify your shopping list. Don't need to force feed yourself endless servings of vegetables or take 12 different supplements. One scoop of Morning Man Green, and you're ready to take on the day like a boss. Morning Man is a 365-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee, 100% risk-free. Give it a try. Go to morningman.com. Use the code AG25 to save 25% off your first order. Fuel your greatness on the morning. Morningman.com. Use the code AG25. Morningman.com. Use the code AG25. John Davis here, host and founder of SolarWise. One call to our solar brokerage gets you 4 to 5 different proposals from different companies, much more efficient. Learn this and much more every Saturday at 4 p.m. on KSBK.
Great news. Shingrix Zoster Vaccine Recombinant Adjuvant is now $0 for almost everyone.
Shingrix is $0 for almost everyone.
Yeah.
What about people with Medicare Part D?
Yes. Shingrix is now $0 for people with Medicare Part D. Shingrix is now $0 for 95% of privately insured people.
Now I need to ask my doctor or pharmacist about Shingrix today.
Shingrix.com for details. Sponsored by DashCam. But we don't speak Spanish.
So we started using Babbel.
And started learning Spanish fast. With Babbel, you can start having conversations in another language in just 3 weeks. Babbel's conversational method teaches you real-life words and phrases. And with Babbel's interactive bite-sized lessons, you'll remember what you learned. When you learn a language, you want to actually use it. Babbel is designed with that goal in mind.
In just 3 weeks, we're starting to have conversations in Spanish.
Estoy muy emocionado para ir a España contigo.
Aww, he just said, I'm very excited to go to Spain with you. Vamos a tener mucha diversión.
And that means we're going to have so much fun.
Sí. Gracias, Babbel.
Babbel, language for life. Celebrating 10 million subscriptions sold. Now try Babbel for free at Babbel.com.
Oh,
Just
stupid
go to
client.
Babbel.com
I
and
hate
start
this
learning a new
damn
language
client.
today.
Oh,
That's
can't wait to move
Babbel.com.
to someone else. I hate working
BABBL.com. To
for
accept a
her.
credit card,
She's
do
a
something
fucking
pretty awesome.
bitch.
At the end of your first year,
Ugh.
they automatically double all the cash back you
Doesn't
earned. That's right,
refuses to
everything you
listen,
earn.
loves to
The
repeat
cashback
herself
from trips,
all the
restaurants,
time. It's
double.
like, dude, no one
Seriously,
cares.
those terms, check it out for yourself at
Shut the
discover.com.
fuck up, bitch. Damn.
KSBK, Sacramento. JFM all the time. Traffic and weather.
KSBK, Sacramento's News Radio, 93.1 FM.
Area opener. The barriers are going up tonight at the federal courthouse in Washington, D.C. It's where former President Trump will be arraigned tomorrow in connection with his latest indictment. Overturn the 2020 election.
Learning more about Judge Tanya Chutkan, who will preside over the case. An Obama appointee, Judge Chutkan, has handed down substantive authority. He's also rejected Trump's efforts to block the January 6th committee from obtaining his presidential record, saying presidents are not keen.
ABC's Pierre Trump. Robert Bowers will be sentenced tomorrow in the 2018 shooting at the Tree of Life Synagogue. A Pittsburgh jury today recommended the death penalty. Rabbi Jeffrey Ryan. The Spirit of God's presence has lived in my house for 5 years. I look forward to being able to go home and God coming out of my closet and saying, Rabbi Meyer, extended play episode of The Twilight Zone is now concluded. You can get on with your life. It was the deadliest anti-Semitic attack in U.S. history. A bombing discovery in a floating barrier of buoys and razor wire in the Rio Grande.
Mexico's Secretary of Foreign Affairs. Efforts were underway to retrieve that body. It's unclear how the person died or their nationality. Mexico is revealing the rulings are a violation of federal law and treaties. Mexico claims
I'm not eating here at Taco Bell. They make you sick every time. Yeah, that's why I refuse to eat there anymore. I get severely sick for like 2 weeks every time I eat trash from Taco Bell. Their food's not even that good anyway. The worst food I ever had is Taco Bell.
If you own a small to medium-sized business, California's capital city, KFBK News Radio.
From the KFBK Newsroom, I'm Joe Michaels. Sacramento's city manager now has more power in dealing with the homelessness crisis. KFBK's Daniel Martindale has the tale.
City Manager Howard Chan no longer needs the City Council's approval when selecting safe ground sites as temporary housing for the homeless. The change was passed in a narrow vote at Tuesday night's special City Council meeting, which lasted nearly 6.5 hours. Chan now has the ability to spend any amount of money he wants within his authority to enforce Sacramento's law banning sidewalk encampments near schools.
Okay.